Hi friends, do you know about the fundamental analysis, technical analysis? When we are investing, before that, what and all we have to take the precaution because we should not suffer with the loss. Do you wanted to know? Let us start with this video. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is Investment for Life, and please share, subscribe and like the video and click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. Let us start. You can invest directly stocks or index. I already in last video I told what is the index. Index means same type of stocks like bank nifty, nifty 50, same kind of stocks in one basket. So like if you go bank nifty, you'll get bank lot of banks, and if you go nifty 50, you'll get the companies, bank nifty next 100, mid cap, small cap. So these are the indices. Based on that you can invest, or you can directly invest on the stock market, the individual products like individual companies, Reliance, etc. So this is the case. So before you are investing in the stock market, before you are investing your amount in the stock market, you have to research. You can ask the tips because there are many YouTube videos. They will tell about the tips. Okay, you can invest in this, you can invest in this. There are lot of kind of tradings are there: intraday trading, option trading, future trading. Uh, there are many kinds of tradings are there. So you can invest as you want, but before that, anything you are doing, before, you have to analyze yourself properly, because no one will guarantee in this. But if you know the proper knowledge and you know how to invest, you can invest easily. This is the gold mine. Stock market is the gold mine for the investors. You can get good return, risk also there, but if you have know the proper knowledge, you can invest it properly. So whenever you are investing in any stocks, some of the ITC company or Britannia or Titan, these are now high level because they are playing in 1,001 share rate, will be high. So we are not looking that. We will go with the penny stocks or good stocks, long term investment or intraday trading, or some of the contract basis trading, which is 8 days or monthly. There are a lot of kind of tradings are there. Before that, any investment you are doing, before that you have to do some of the analysis. That is a basically fundamental. Whenever you are in investing amount, there are two analysis must you have to check. There are a lot of websites are there. There you can check the you are check the company, which company you are investing and what is the analysis. There is a tape tracker and screener.in. There are some of the websites are there. You can keep the company and they will give the details. What is the how company performing last 5 years, today what they are performing, what is the lowest price, what is the highest price, what is the mid cap, what is the capital of that company. Now, is it in loss, is it in good, what is the advantages, what is the disadvantages, what is the whoever are the competitors. So that will show it is. So next video will come with the practically how you can check. So let us start now. We can do two analysis. So here I will tell the fundamental analysis, what and all you can do. There is the intrinsic value. What is the intrinsic value? I will go with the intrinsic value. I will tell in one more video, because intrinsic value you have to calculate it. Now I will go with the analysis, which two analysis is very important in the stock market. In when you are trading, when you are investing your amount in the stock market, there is a fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, there is a some of the tools. Based on that tools, you can get to know what is the company performing in the market, is it the worth to invest or not. So you can understand. So I will read some tools, because if you want detail about the tools, I will go with the one different videos. So the first tool is earning per share. How much the company will earn per share, earning per share, that is a EPS. Second one, price to earning ratio. Price to earning ratio, what is the ratio? Price to earning ratio, what is the ratio, how it will calculate. projected earning growth. We no need to sit and calculate this. Just I'm telling that these are tools. If you can go the screener.com. If you know how to calculate, you can. But if you don't know how to calculate, don't invest your mind on that. You can go the screener.com or tip tracker. You can check. You will get to know what is the P ratio, what is the PEGY, what is the PS, what is the PB. So you'll get to know. I will show you on the practically basis how it will work. So earning per share, fundamental analysis, first tool, that is the earning per share. Second one, price to earning ratio, PE ratio. Projected earning growth, that is a PEG ratio, projected earning growth. Price to sales, how much price they will sell. Price to book, what is the book price. Dividend till, what is the dividend till. Dividend payout ratio, how much they are paying the dividend yearly basis. Is it they are paying properly or it is a less. Dividend payout ratio. Book value per share. Book value per share, how much they are paying. Return on equity, how much return they are giving on equity. These are the 9 fundamental tools. So based on that you can analyze fundamental. What is the how is the share, is it a fundamentally strong or weak. So if you go the screener.in or tracker, you will get to know what is the shares performing, what is the company performing. If they will give all the details, they will give the charts also, they will give the relative index index also, they will give the advantages, disadvantages, how much they are paying, what is the advantages, what is the disadvantages, whoever the competitors, all details they will give. So in next video I will come with the practically how it will work. Technical analysis we will see in the next video. If you want any different kind of videos or any basic kind of videos or other investment plans, you can keep your message in the comment box, so I will understand what and all requirement you are expecting. So please share, subscribe and click on bell icon, so it will get you will get the notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.